Hey guys! Today I want to show you one of my favorite places in Georgia. It is a huge park that is over 2,500 acres in size. It is located in Pine Mountain, Georgia, and it is called Callaway Gardens. When we arrived, we found an old house like this. I think it shows how people used to live here at a certain time. Honestly, my dad showed me this place. As you can see, old objects were also displayed here. There is so much nature here, hiking and biking, trails, as well as golf courses, a beautiful butterfly house, this is my personal favorite. You can fish, swim, eat, and so much more. If you are a nature lover, you will love it here. Unfortunately, I didn't see any wild deer, but I did notice this squirrel.
So cute!
As I mentioned before, my favorite here is the butterfly house. It is so big. In front of it there is a small pond and lots of flowering plants that attract bees and bumblebees. In the butterfly house, you can see the development of the butterfly. There's even a breeding area where cocoons with caterpillars hang and wait to become beautiful butterflies. There are so many different species here. I find this place magical. These butterflies share their space with turtles. This one is just enjoying his life. Blue butterflies are my favorite butterflies. I even have a real one at home. Are you also fans of butterflies? Sometimes it wasn't that easy to catch him on camera, but I was able to film a few. I don't know what those pink flowers on the tree are, but I think they are so beautiful. After the butterfly house, we walked to a show. I think the woman my dad is posing with is the wife of the man who built this park back then, but that's just guessing. At the Discovery Center, they told the story of the park and the people who were responsible for it. Apparently, I was right. The statue from earlier was really the woman with the dog from the builder of the park. There was even a small documentary. Behind the center you come to a huge lake. I find the sound of the stream so calming. I think this is a good place to relax and live in the moment. There are free living turtles in the lake. This one was just about to eat a fish. Look how both turtles are feeding on the fish. Earlier I told you we were on our way to a show. It's actually a bird show. Here you can see different species of birds and get detailed information about the species. They also had even a cute little mini owl and an owl that somehow reminds me of the one from Harry Potter. After the bird show, we drove a little further. We were looking for a good place to go fishing. I used to love cities so much, but somehow I'm now drawn to the countryside and a quiet, calm life. Could you imagine living in a place like this? Finally, we went to the beach, where you can actually swim. It's just completely empty. We didn't go swimming that day, but it looks like a great place for it. What is your first impression of Callaway Gardens? Is this place on your travel list? Let me know in the comments. Leave me a thumbs up. And as always, I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.